This video will show how to use the submission log, event tracking reports, and library index report to evaluate the progress of your data in FUDSChem. The submission log shows a high-level summary of what data has been submitted to FUDSChem. Let's go to Reports, ADR and Submission Reports, Submission Log. Choose the desired projects, events, and data types, then click View Report. You could also filter on USACE Chemist or Status if you wish. This report gives a high-level view of the status of all submitted data. It does not include supporting documentation, such as PDFs, that are uploaded to the library. This report is optimized for downloading, so it may not display well in the browser. To export the report to Excel or PDF, click on the floppy disk icon. To know which step of the process your data is on, focus on the File Status column. The footer explains that a status of Loaded means the file has been uploaded, but has not yet been certified. Usually, files are stuck in this category if they have errors. Reach out to your Synectics point of contact for more information. Certified means the file has been submitted for review. Finalized applies to chemistry SED files only, and means the validator has finalized the validation qualifiers and the data is ready for USACE approval. Approved means the file has been approved by the USACE, and the data is available in final reports. Unapproved and uncertified indicate that the file was formerly certified or approved, but has been backed up, usually to allow for edits. The file status date indicates when the file advanced to its current status. If a file was submitted several weeks ago and still has the certified status, you may want to check with the reviewer to see why it has not yet been approved. The reviewer column shows who approved the file, and will be blank if the file has not yet been approved. The Project Chemist Geologist column will list the USACE Chemist for chemistry data, such as SED 5.2. It lists the USACE Geologist for geology data, such as location definition data. The Project Manager column will list the USACE Project Manager. Record count shows the number of records in each file. Note that a ChemField file, the digitized version of your chain of custody, will count one record for every sample method combination. A laboratory SED file will count one record for every sample method analyte combination. Therefore, their record counts may be higher than expected. Let's go back to our main window. To see the progress of your project on the location or sample level, there are several event tracking reports available. These reports present information based on planning done under Tools, Data, Event Management. They show the status of data loading and approval for both chemistry and non-chemistry data. We will take a basic look now, but you can reference the Event Tracking Reports overview video, linked in the description, for more information. Go to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status, All Data Types. Choose the project and event, and click View Report. You can see the team planned to submit these data types for each location. The key at the bottom tells us what the colors indicate, along with what the column abbreviations stand for. The color coding updates in real time as data is submitted and approved, making it easy to keep track of progress. Please reference the Event Tracking Reports overview video, linked in the description, for more information. There are two more event tracking reports available. Go to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status Chemistry Report. Choose the project and the event, and click View Report. This report lists the analysis methods planned for each location. It also has a color-coded key and updates in real time, making it easy to check that your data is complete. Please reference the Event Tracking Reports Overview video, linked in the description, for more information. The final report is under Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status, Chemistry Detail Report. Choose the project, event, and sample types, and click View Report. This report lists the methods assigned on a per-sample basis instead of a per-location basis like the previous report. It gives more information on the chain of custody, SDG number, and lab. Similar to previous reports, it includes a color-coded key and updates in real time, making it easy to see samples that have been skipped and make sure your dataset is complete. For more information, please reference the Event Tracking Reports Overview video, linked in the description. Let's go back to our main window. In addition to data files, your project may have supporting documentation such as boring logs, well construction diagrams, or groundwater monitoring logs that need to be uploaded to the library. To check the status of library files, go to Reports, Library Index Report. Choose the file category, which corresponds to your property. Choose the subcategory you want to review. This drop-down only shows categories that have at least one file associated with them. In this case, we'll select all. You can choose to view files of various statuses. For this example, we will choose Certified to see what files need to be approved. Click View Report. We can see that there are several certified files waiting for approval. Each district determines who is authorized to approve various file types. It may be the USACE chemist, USACE geologist, or your Synectics point of contact. Note that library files are assigned to a specific reviewer, and typically, only that assigned reviewer will be able to see those files. The assigned reviewer, or your Synectics point of contact, can assist in reassigning a file if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.